before God restores everything. This always happens before every restoration, before every breakthrough, before Allah rebuilds what was broken. This always happens first. And if you're going through it right now, this is your sign to keep going. The pattern, darkness before light. Look at every story in the Quran. Before Yusuf, A.S., became a ruler of Egypt, he was thrown into a well, sold as a slave, thrown into prison. Before Musa, A.S., freed his people, he fled in fear, alone, with nothing. Before Maryam, A.S., was given a miracle. She was in pain, alone, crying out, "I wish I had died before this." Every single one of them went through the breaking before they saw the restoring. Why this happens? Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, "Or do you think that you will enter paradise while such trial has not yet come to you as came to those who passed on before you?" The struggle isn't a sign that Allah forgot you. It's the sign that He's preparing you for something you can't handle in your current state. The feeling before the breakthrough. Right before restoration, it often feels like everything is falling apart. The isolation gets heavier. The du'as feel unanswered. The waiting feels endless. You start to wonder if Allah even hears you anymore. That feeling? That's not abandonment. That's the final stretch. The promise. Allah says, "For indeed with hardship will be ease. Indeed with hardship will be ease." He repeats it twice. Not as a maybe, as a promise. The very thing breaking you right now is the same thing Allah is using to rebuild you into who you're meant to become. The turn, hold on. So if everything feels like it's falling apart right now, your patience, your health, your relationships, your plans, don't mistake this for the end. This is what always happens right before Allah restores everything. The dark part of the story is never the final page. Keep praying. Keep believing. Keep showing up, because what feels like your breaking point might just be Allah's starting point for your restoration. Trust the process. Trust Allah's timing. Follow for daily reminders.